Here's a pair of the JBL Live 660 NC headphones. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Sony Smart TV via Bluetooth. Now this is the Sony TV that has Google TV. So the first thing is, let's put the headphones into pairing mode. So the headphones are currently off. I'm going to turn them on by this button here. I'm just going to slide it up. Wait 1 second for the light to turn on. Now I'll know that it's in pairing mode if it's blinking blue. Blue, 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 blue. All right, I got a solid white light here, or maybe you have a solid blue light, but you can manually put it into pairing mode. Just look under for the Bluetooth button. Is this one here? So just tap it once, and now I should get a blue blinking light, as you can see there. Now it's in pairing mode. Now let's hurry up and shoot over to our Sony TV. We're going to go to the settings. You can go to the settings button on your remote if you have that. If not, just navigate to the home page. On here, just click on the home button on your remote, and then you can navigate to the gear icon on the top right hand side. So keep sliding over. Make sure all settings is highlighted. Okay on the remotes. Left pane here, we're going to go all the way down to remotes and accessories. Right there. Let's go ahead and select on that. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Now we're going to go down one to pair accessory. Let's go ahead and pair it. Now it's searching for devices that's in pairing mode that is near me within Bluetooth range, within like 30 or so feet. And they're still in the pairing mode, and it did find it already. So just make sure you highlight it. Click OK with the remote. It says pairing. We should get a pairing request here. Right there, select pair. I just heard the chime, and it just said that we are now connected right there, and we're ready to go. So if I go to JBL Live, you can see that we're connected because it says disconnected. If I go to my Beat Solo 4, it's not connected, but I can connect. Okay, so anyway, the JBL Live is currently connected. Now, if you had any kind of issues pairing or connecting these, you can always factory reset. If you need to do that, look below in the description area for that link.